Hello everyone, good morning. This is Anand. I'm from Accenture, and today in this video, I would like to cover the internship referral program that has been happening in Accenture for the last couple of years. Okay, so here, majorly in the people or the candidates, okay, who are pursuing their BTech or degree, any degree, okay, with the relevant skill set, which are eligible for the internship referral program, they are get referred by the Accenture employees. Okay, this is the first step. And during this referral process, the first major thing which is mandatory is PAN card. Okay, why they consider PAN card? That is one of the proof, and apart from Aadhaar. Okay, so in your major PAN card, the signature is mandatory. If you upload your PAN card without signature, then your candidature will get rejected. Okay, so please make a note of it. PAN card with signature is mandatory while applying your or while registering your details. So when someone asks you, do you have a major PAN card with you, don't say yes, just confirm or check whether your signature is also there on the PAN card. Okay, otherwise just update your PAN card with relevant signature attached to it. Okay, and so once you have your major PAN card with signature, then you are eligible for the Accenture Internship Referral Program along with your current educational skill education, okay, or current skills. Okay, so please go through that eligibility criteria clearly or carefully. Okay, and once you are referred by any Accenture employee, do please say yes or thank you, because without their referral you are not going to start your journey with the Accenture. And of course, Accenture is a very good company. And coming to the process, okay, so they conduct the go for gold or this contest, go for gold contest, okay, in iAspire. So how do you get that iAspire? How do you start your journey, okay, in Accenture for the internship process? So once you are registered, okay, then you will get a mail from Accenture campus recruitment team after some time, like after 1 month or after 15 days they will communicate. Okay, so when you get the mails, so but please be patient, don't follow up with the referral with the employees, okay, because just it will take 1 month time to get your mails. Okay, once you get the mails, in the mail they will conduct the induction session. Okay, so where they will explain clearly what exactly happened in the this internship referral process. And in that, the first thing is registration. Okay, you need to submit your details. Of course, employee will submit your details, but the same details you should be some you should submit from your end. And make sure, okay, request the employee while they are uploading your details, just give a screenshot of it. Why I'm asking, you need to validate and confirm, because what happened, sometimes we don't know some kind of names, it's a bit different. Okay, and if we give a wrong name or if we don't write it properly, okay, then what will happen when you are submitting your details, it will say the candidate name is mismatched and you don't get OTP on your registered mail ID. So these kind of validations are there in place. That is the reason you just request them, ask them to take few more minutes, but make sure they submit your proper details, otherwise you will miss a chance to get an internship in the Accenture. Okay, confirm your date of birth, confirm the mail ID, confirm when you are graduating, and also the other details like first name, last name, and some other details are also required while submitting your details to the Accenture. Okay, so once all these things are properly done, okay, then wait for 1 month, and then you will get a mail to your registered mail address from Accenture, and you just join to that induction program and understand the process. And here, after the links, after you get the link to sign up or log into the iAspire is the first thing, okay, in Accenture in Accenture referral journey from the candidate. You should fill the details properly. Okay, so the registration form would be there, and in that, if you have any questions, I will give you the link, and also I will show you the portal. In that portal, all your queries get answered. Okay, I saw a couple of people, okay, the candidates, they just didn't put their details properly. One uploaded the PAN card without having signature on top of it, and another member, it is like their college name is not there in the list. So what is happened? So people, we don't have the tracking. Okay, so if they don't know how to resolve their query, then obviously they lost the chance, because timelines are there everywhere. So people, even they try to help, they can't do, because a lot of process is there and it's not so easy. So that is why whenever you are filling your details at the very first time, do it carefully and accurately fill the data. That is the first request to everyone who wants an internship in the any company. Okay, so now here in the referral process in Accenture, so if you have some kind of queries, okay, so the first thing is, in iAspire, fill all your details properly. Okay, and then once you submit your data, okay, make sure you will get the success message. If you get a message like instantly you will be rejected because of so and so, immediately contact the helpline number, because helpline number, or chat with them. I will give you the link, URL link, where they are ready to support the candidates. Okay, because so many people doesn't know how to resolve their own queries, or even the referred, or the employees with whom they referred also, they don't know how to resolve those issues, because we are not used to that portal. Okay, but here there is a dedicated URL is there. In that web page, you will see chat with us and call us. Okay, so use those options, and also you can raise a ticket. Okay, support ticket, or you can raise a ticket along with your query. Okay, you can post your query there, and they can immediately help you within 1 or 2 working days. Okay, so this is all about introduction from my side. And here in the iAspire, there is a contest called Go for Gold, and once you complete all the things, okay, all the things in means complete whatever the courses that you want to learn, technical skills or functional skills, or behavioral skills, or whatever the skills that is present over there, and which Accenture feel like that those are very important for the candidate to get or to attain. Complete all those things, get good points. Okay, everything is considered for your eligibility. Okay, so once you complete the Go for Gold, and next thing is the assessment rounds, cognitive and technical assessments will be taken place. And in this cognitive and assessment, you should make sure um, you should take sufficient time to solve all the puzzles or all the problems by using one of the programming languages. And then these assessments are completed, then final round is the HR round. Okay, so I told you about the link, right? I will cover in the second video, part 2 video, where I can tell you the queries, what are the different kinds of queries are there, and how you can resolve it on your own, or still if you have questions, how you can reach out to them. Everything I will cover in the follow-up video. Okay, subscribe this channel for more updates, and for any interesting things which will helpful to the candidates, okay, who wants to pursue their career in Accenture. You just subscribe this channel and get the updates. Okay, thank you so much. Hello everyone. So today I would like to give you a walkthrough on the Accenture campus portal web page. So where you can raise your queries when you are having some issues, okay, with the iAspire. Okay, so yeah, let's have a walkthrough. Yeah, hello everyone. So if you observe the link here that is displayed in this video, that is the main link for freshers, and also for the uh, for the candidates who are registered for this iAspire or for this referral program. Okay, so indiacampus.accenture.com, my zone, Accenture, one and home. So this is the home page where you can see all the details. Okay, so here you can see the career portal, and also the support portal. If you have any issues in the iAspire, okay, while doing registration, so you can contact the support team, where they are always helpful to resolve your queries, and all your questions are answered in that web page as well. Okay, so if you see here, you just go through this web page, and also there are exciting roles for freshers at Accenture Technology. So what are the things that Accenture can offer to you? You can see all those things, explore it. Okay, this is the main web page. And if you go to the career section, okay, maybe I have covered in any one of my previous video, you can use this search bar, and you can search if any relevant positions are there with respect to your experience. And if you are completely a fresher, and you can apply to any one of the position here, packaged app development associate. Okay, so they will consider you as a fresher if you have experience between 0 to less than 2 years. Okay, so if you have any foreign degree, then not foreign degree any degree in language, then you can apply for this foreign language. Okay, non-tech application development associate for the PWD candidates. Okay, so a lot of things are there. Okay, and you can explore this career portal. Okay, and even even when you are exploring this career portal, right, they will also give you the eligibility and process. Okay, so they call you as ASC, and what is the eligibility. So just before applying the things, just make sure you are go through this eligibility, and then if you feel like you are eligible for this, then only you can apply this, apply to that portal, apply to that position. Otherwise you will miss an opportunity if you are having a relevant or suitable opportunity in the future. Okay, so that is why make sure, once this is also one more thing, please make a note. Once you apply to any one of the position, you will not be eligible to apply for other role. Okay, in the next 6 months or in the next 1 year, because you will be, your resume will be tagged to that opportunity or position. Okay, that's why don't waste your the opportunity. Make sure you are applying to that right opportunity or position in Accenture. Okay, so what is the process here, also it will be covered. Everything is there in that in this page. Okay, in the career page. Now coming back to the support. So what is there in the support? So here they clearly mention your questions are answered. Yes, it is true. So if you have any questions, okay, with respect to your registration process. Okay, so this is a pre-placement connect. Okay, candidates who are graduating at 2025, I think they can contact if they are having any issues. But coming to the registration, okay, in the iAspire portal, how do you register? Okay, things to do before the registration: make sure you have a passport size photo, digital copy, and also you have a PAN card. I told you, right, PAN card with what is the required, with signature is required, major PAN card with signature, and latest resume. So these things are required. And when you click on this login page, this is the iAspire, right? So here you will see the username and password. Okay, so this details will be given to you by from the mail. Okay, you will get these credentials to your mail ID. Again, going back to the support. Okay, so here how they will help you with the help in the during registration process. Okay, so here they will clearly mention you will receive an email from Accenture with the details. And also I mentioned, right, fill the form carefully and accurately, and once you are eligible, then you will receive a QR code based admit card. So a lot of things are there, and whatever the query, you just use these options. You can directly reach out to them over the call and or also on the text. Okay, if they don't pick up the call, but make sure your queries get resolved. So detailed guide to fill the registration form. What is the go through each and everything. Okay, so which job you are applying, and if you want to mark it as yes or no, think twice before applying as yes or no. Okay, because one of the candidate got rejected because he applied as yes when he's for internship process. Instead of applying as no, he mentioned at one of the place as yes. For that he disqualified for the internship referral. Okay, so that is the one more thing. And the question is, have you completed your final year or all the semesters? He marked as yes instead of no. So once you submit your details, there is zero chance to recorrect or resubmit the form. Okay, so that's why make sure take your time and understand the process, go through this link. Okay, and this, that's why I'm giving you a walkthrough on this link. Okay, there is a detailed guide. Okay, and this is the thing, what if your college name is not listed in the drop down? Okay, you can select others and then you can specify your college name. Still, if your college it is not allowing or taking your details, then you can reach out to them immediately and then get your queries resolved. So how to update our resume, change the resume, how to apply for more than one job role. So usually it is not possible earlier, but yes, they have given the option for it, so you can explore it. Okay, if you have any questions, you can raise a ticket. Okay, my zone Accenture authorization login, so there is a support is also there. You can raise a ticket to any of your query if they don't answer your queries on chat and also on the call. Okay, so this is another thing. If your names got mismatched, then you don't get receive an OTP or to your registered mail ID. So that could be one of the reason I'm saying, because I applied few candidates and some of them got the this kind of issue. Okay, so that's why you just check with our candidate who is referring you, and simply request them to send the details before submitting your data to the Accenture. Okay, and I told you after the registration there is an assessment process. So assessment, mock assessment, cognitive, so coding assessment is also there. Okay, so all the prerequisites, just make sure you have met all the prerequisites here, and if you are eligible, then just take the assessments. Okay, and complete your journey. Okay, in the between I told you, right, there is a go for gold contest is also there, so you need to complete that as well. And
Battery charging is low. Charge up your device.
assessment, and what else is there? So go through all these things. Okay, yeah, when will I know about my assessment outcome results, right? You will get within 12 days, I think, that is for HR. So here you will get all your information. Okay, so interview process, and after, see here you can see how many days of assessment will my interview be scheduled. So any kind of concerns or any kind of issues, you can reach out them by using these two options: chat with us and call us. Okay, so what else is there? Candidate identity details and anything is there? Candidate ask me, so PAN card related all kind of questions get answered here. Okay, maximum limit, there is a HR related. Okay, anything, even the technical things or the HR thing, everything will be resolved here. So candidate declaration form, offer letter issues, joining letter, candidate semester marks, so everything is covered here. Okay, so candidates, please go through this link. I will give you that link in the bio as well. Okay, so in the description part, you just reach out to the Accenture support team, where they will always help you to resolve all your queries. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe it for more interesting updates about Accenture referral program and Accenture job opportunities. Okay, thank you so much.